Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through New Kingston in the city of Kingston. And today we're going to give you an update on the JUTC. Now the JUTC is ordering 300 buses and the first 100 CNG fueled buses are expected to arrive in the country for September. They are trying to get the buses here before the start of the next academic school year. Now, the same thing was done last year. The government brought in, I think it was 50 buses, and the timeline or the deadline was to get them into the island before the start of the academic school year. And that was done. I think the buses came in a week before the school term was to start, or the school year, and they were put out in time for the children to return to school, the students. So 100 new CNG buses, and it's the same timeline. They're trying to get them here before the start of the school year, which is September, around the first week in September. So we're going to give you an update on what's going on. The first set of 100 compressed natural gas (CNG) fuel buses for the Jamaica Urban Transit Company (JUTC) are expected to arrive in time for the start of the 2024-25 academic year in September. This batch forms part of the 300 mixed energy buses that the government will be acquiring over the next 3 years to boost the state-run JUTC's fleet and addresses needs in the public transportation system. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, provided the details while delivering a statement in the House of Representatives. The ministry has redoubled efforts to increase the overall fleet with the addition of 300 mixed energy buses. These will be added to the system over a 3-year period, beginning 2024-25. With the first set of 100 CNG fuel buses set to arrive on the island between June and July of this year in time for back to school in September, he said. The minister informed that 10 of the 100 buses will be equipped for members of the disabled community. He pointed out that additionally buses purchased will see 10% embark for these persons. Currently, the JUTC has 12 buses that are in service for the disabled community, and in addition to the 2 expected in May 2024, a total of 24 buses that are accessible by members of the disabled community, and those will be on the road by August 2024, he said. Mr. Vaz informed that in 2023, a total of 70 new buses, including 45 diesel, 20 CNG, and 5 battery electric buses, were purchased. Of the 70 buses, 56 have arrived and are currently being used in the service, and by the end of this fiscal year, the remaining 14 units are expected to arrive. Of the 14 units, 12 are expected to arrive by April and the other 2 will arrive in May 2024, equipped for the disabled community, he said. There is still work to do, but the bottom line is that you will see a great improvement in the efficiency of the JUTC by virtue of the addition of buses, he pointed out, noting that the company has been severely impacted by an older fleet of buses and fewer units. Meanwhile, Minister Vaz said the battery electric bus project, which allows for the testing of 6 units, commenced in 2023 and is ongoing. Alright guys, so 100 new CNG buses, compressed natural gas, are on the way. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, Enjoy the rest of the tour as we drive out of New Kingston. We are on Knutsford Boulevard going on to Trafalgar Road. Alright, guys, have a good day.